Today's Sunday, December 7th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado convertible top gearbox actuators. These units are substantially similar from 1971 through 76, although there are some differences, particularly as they address the 1971 Eldorado with a different mounting pattern. So 72 and 76 are substantially similar. So this is the third and final video out of a 3-video set. These units have been completely disassembled as depicted in videos number 1 and video number 2 of the bench layout and pre-assembly state. I've spoken to how the planetary gears are surface treated under a chemical vapor deposition that builds up the diameter and then put back on the Oerlikon machine and the gear recut, and that allows the involutes to have perfect integrity in terms of the interaction that is directly responsible for a 10.6 multiplier of force, that is of torque, that is originated from the electric motor. So 71 through 76 Eldorados, what we have is a electrical system for the actuation of the convertible top, whereas in 70 and earlier we had a hydraulic based system. So in 71 through 76 we have our electric motors, then we have the flex cables, and the electric motor is a single electric motor with 2 flex cables that go left and right to each of the gearboxes. And these gearbox actuators, as previously stated, provide a 10.6 multiplication of force that allows the actuation and kinematic motion of the largest convertible top ever made. So when these gearbox actuators start failing in terms of delivering anything less than their originally designed multiplier of force, you wind up burning up the motors, the relay, and bending up the scissor top when you try to manually open or close it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do a functional validation test under power. This is the third and final video of the fully assembled embodiment, and I'll go ahead and apply power, and we can see the sweeping motion of the arm. I'll reverse it. Okay, and that is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado convertible top power actuator, gearbox actuator. And this is for my friend Tom in South Carolina. And these will be going out as soon as I get his okay to ship, reply confirmation. This is Eldorado, Georgia, and Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the Cadillacs for the Cadillac Eldorados, that is, from 1967 through 1978. I have 375,000 parts overall from 1959 through 1976. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels with the wood grain inlay, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items such as these convertible top power gearbox actuators. Today is Sunday, December 7th. This is Eldorado, Georgia, and Florida. Thank you very kindly.